This is week 12 of my 60-second video series, and today we're making tzatziki sauce. Let's get started. We're gonna get started by slicing our cucumber in half lengthwise. And now with a spoon, we are going to just scoop out all of the seeds. If you have a seedless cucumber, you can skip this step, but that's pretty obvious. Now we're gonna shred our cucumber using a box grater. Now in a glass bowl, we are going to place a strainer on top of that and place our cucumber on top like so. And we're just gonna add a pinch of salt on this and give it a toss. And we're gonna wait about 10 minutes because we want that moisture to be drawn out from the cucumber. We're just gonna squeeze this with our hands after 10 minutes. Once we got all this water out, it's time to prepare the rest of the ingredients. You can just discard this tastes nasty. Now we're gonna finely slice our garlic. Let's take off the skin. And we're just gonna finely mince this. Hey, real quick, what's gonna happen after you cut garlic? Your hands are gonna smell like garlic. So I'm gonna do a pro gamer move and rub the back of a spoon under cold water to prevent that. We're gonna add our garlic to the bowl, along with some chopped up fresh mint, a couple teaspoons of red wine vinegar, and a tablespoon of olive oil. Add in our cucumber and give it a stir. Now this is all personal preference. I like to start out with a cup of Greek yogurt and see how thick it is after that. I'm gonna add another half cup. Just gonna add a little bit more salt and a pinch of pepper. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah, it's ready. It tastes even better after a few days in the fridge. My personal favorite use of it is placing it on a gyro, which we're going to show you how to make next week. So until then, I'm Lendy with Small Bites. See ya. Oh wait, almost forgot. I'm not going to show you how to make it on Small Bites. Season 4 is coming soon.